Welcome to this new video from the ASA Art 3D website. We will see in this tutorial how to create a chain link as shown below. You are watching a tutorial video. Other types of videos are available on my site. First, let's look at what we need to create a chain. We need a chain link that we will duplicate. We need an empty to manage the distance between chain links and their orientation. And finally, we need an array modifier to manage the number of copies and the link between the chain link and the empty. We will now create a chain link. To do this, we will use a cube and a Bezier curve. Let's start by removing two faces from the cube and reducing its size. Now let's add an array modifier to this cube. Let's add a circle curve which will serve as our path for our cube. In edit mode, widen the circle on the x-axis to make it oval. Add a curve modifier to the cube and assign the curve as a curve object. In the array modifier, increase the number of copies until you create a chain link. Activate the merge option, so that the copies merge together. Apply the array modifier, then go to edit mode. Close the ends with the F key. Add precision to the ends so that the subdivision doesn't make the ends too soft. Now add a subdivision modifier to round the surface and apply shade smooth to polish it. Your chain link is now complete. We will now create an empty, then configure the array modifier with this empty in order to be able to manage the spacing between the copies and their orientation. With Shift-A, add an arrow empty. Now is the time to add an array modifier and attach the empty to it. Select your chain link and add an array modifier to it. Uncheck Relative Offset, select Object Offset and assign the empty in the Object field. If you move the empty, nothing happens and that's a problem. Here's why. When we created the chain link, we made transformations of the object in edit mode. These transformations were not reported in object mode. The object is not behaving as it should. We will therefore apply the transformations with a Ctrl-A shortcut. With a right-click, select All Transform. You can now see that the array modifier correctly handles the spacing of chain links. Everything is ready. Now we just have to position the empty correctly and turn it 90 degrees on the x-axis. Select the empty and rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis. Every second link in the chain is now perpendicular. Now all you have to do is adjust the chain links correctly by moving the empty along the x-axis. Thanks you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.